Chapter 30, Air Brake Foundation Systems and Air Brake Circuits. Day 3, Video for Park Emergency Valves. So we've talked about the need to compress the park brake or this emergency brake system. We just need to add a few more valves into the system here. So here's our dash valve, or the yellow push-pull on the valve on the dash for releasing the park brakes, right? So it's triangle shaped, and the knob has a yellow shape to it. So we're going to source either primary or secondary air. We've got a two-way check valve that allows either primary or secondary air to flow through it. Whichever pressure is higher will flow through and be available at that valve at all times. So if we want to release the park brake, right, we've started the truck up. We've got system pressure up to at least 60 psi. The buzzer goes off, the light goes off, letting the driver know it's safe we've got enough air pressure to release the park brake. He would push in on the yellow push-pull, air would flow through, come out, go through an inversion valve, which is a safety valve that's in the system, flows through, comes out to our quick release valve. So we've talked about how that function works. Pressure would then flow out both sides of that quick release valve and into the dual chamber at the wheel end. So remember, the side that's closest to the slack adjuster, the service brake, and the park emergency brake is the rearmost section of that brake chamber. So that air pressure flows into it, fills this cavity, right, works against that diaphragm, against the piston, and compresses that park brake spring, right? Now as it compresses and retracts this way, we've got the return spring here pulling the service brake piston back. Also, remember, we've got that relay piston going through, and now the slack adjusters would back off and our park emergency brake system would be released. We're free to move the truck and drive it down the road.